A bright white smile never goes out of style, but harsh chemical treatments can damage your enamel and increase sensitivity. Thankfully, nature offers safer ways to whiten your teeth, right from your kitchen. Let's start with baking soda. It's a gentle abrasive that helps remove surface stains and plaque. To use it, mix half a teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water to form a paste. Brush with it 2 to 3 times a week, not daily, to avoid enamel erosion. Next up, hydrogen peroxide, a natural bleaching agent. Use a diluted solution, equal parts 3% hydrogen peroxide and water, as a mouth rinse for 30 seconds before brushing. Do this a few times a week, not every day. Oil pulling is an ancient remedy that still works. Swish a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes, then spit it out and rinse with water. It helps remove toxins, reduce plaque, and gradually whiten teeth. Daily use brings the best results. Don't overlook strawberries. They contain malic acid, which helps lift surface stains. Mash 1 ripe strawberry and mix it with a pinch of baking soda. Apply it to your teeth with a toothbrush and leave it on for 5 minutes. Rinse well and brush after. Activated charcoal is another natural option. It binds to toxins and stains, pulling them from your teeth. Dip a wet toothbrush into the powder and brush gently for 2 minutes. Use no more than twice a week to avoid wear on enamel. And of course, what you eat matters. Crunchy fruits and vegetables like apples, carrots, and celery help scrub teeth naturally and stimulate saliva production, which cleans and protects your mouth. Avoid dark-staining drinks like coffee, tea, and red wine, or drink them through a straw and rinse your mouth after. Natural whitening takes time and consistency, but it's safer, gentler, and better for long-term dental health. Whiten naturally. Smile confidently. Let nature do the work. Your teeth will thank you. If you find this content valuable, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mind-expanding educational content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.